Hey guys, this is Fundo on Onchopagama. Tonight on Uzalo. Putin is unveiling, and he really as dangerous as people have been saying he is. And Gingy tries to see Putin C to C, and it seems like Gingy does not scared for Putin, but he got the thing she deserved. Putin beat Gingy with the gun on the head, while Pastor Kuala is furious about Nosipo mission and pregnant. And the community of Maushu thinks that Nosipo is pregnant for a child of Sambulo. While Madongwe is scared that Madlala will be killed by the kidnappers, he tries to get help to get the money that they need. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.